For a 14-year-old menstruating girl, Ramadan can be a time of reflection and spiritual growth, even if she cannot fast or pray in the traditional sense. Here's some advice on how to make the most of this special month. 1. Understand your condition. First and foremost, it's important to embrace menstruation as a natural part of life. It's essential to know that Islam does not hold you accountable for not fasting or praying during this time. Allah knows your circumstances and your intention to worship. 2. Engage in dhikr. While you cannot perform regular prayers, you can still engage in dhikr, remembrance of Allah. Repeat phrases like Subhanallah, glory be to Allah, Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, and Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest, throughout your day. This keeps your heart connected to your faith. 3. Read and reflect on the Qur'an. Dedicate time to reading the Qur'an. You can focus on understanding the meanings and reflecting on how the verses apply to your life. This can deepen your spiritual connection and increase your knowledge of your faith. 4. Make dua. Use this time to make heartfelt dua, supplication. Ask Allah for guidance, support, and the strength to overcome challenges. Be sincere in your prayers and express your hopes and dreams. 5. Participate in acts of kindness. Engage in acts of kindness and service, whether at home or in your community. This could involve helping your family with chores, volunteering for community service, or contributing to charitable causes. Every good deed counts during Ramadan. 6. Learn about Islam. Take this opportunity to learn more about your faith. Read Islamic books, listen to lectures, or join online classes. This will enhance your understanding and appreciation of your religion. 7. Maintain a positive mindset. It's easy to feel disconnected during this time, but it's important to remain positive. Remind yourself that your intentions and desire to worship are recognized by Allah. Focus on spiritual growth rather than feelings of exclusion. 8. Support and connect with others. If you have friends or family members who are also menstruating, support each other. Share experiences, insights, and acts of worship. This can create a strong sense of community and help you feel more connected to your faith. 9. Prepare for future fasting. While you may not be fasting now, you can start planning for when you are able to. Reflect on your goals for future Ramadan, including how you will APPR.